It looks scary, but actually, this kind of problem is very simple and elegant. You must keep up, okay? Only then will you have a train of thought, right? First of all, in the first step, we notice that every numerator and denominator, what are they? Yes, they're all repeating numbers. Look, these are all repeating numbers, repeating numbers, repeating numbers. That's the first and second points. Aside from those zeros, we also notice that 393,939 and 919,191 appear frequently here. Even though some have more zeros, the situation is similar, right? 39 and 91 both have common factors, right? So this lays the groundwork for simplifying fractions later on. Now, let's take a look at the first term. Looking at the first term, its numerator, 919,191, that 6-digit number, can be divided by 91. Go ahead and divide by 91, and you'll find that the quotient is, what is it? The quotient is 10,101. In other words, the numerator can be written as 91 times 10,101. Similarly, the denominator, this repeating number, can be written as 39 times 10,101. That's the first number plus. Now, let's look at the second number. Its numerator is also a repeating number, but its base number is 9,110. So I'm saying its numerator can definitely be divided by 9,110. If you divide it, you'll find that the quotient is 1,001. By the same logic, the denominator can also be written as 390 times 1001. Now let's look at the third number. Its numerator can be written as 9,100. If we divide the numerator by 9,100, we'll find that the quotient should be 10,001 is a 5-digit number, and the denominator is 3,900. It can be written as 3,900 times 10,001 up to this point. All the numerators and denominators, that's it. They've all been dealt with. Let's do a bit of simplification. 10,101, snip, snip. This is this one, right? The second term, 1,001, snip, snip, and what's left is this third term. After factoring out the common factor, 1,001, it becomes 9,100 in the numerator and 3,900 in the denominator. At this point, it's clear that both terms can be simplified by dividing the numerator and denominator by 10. So let's leave it as is for now. After simplifying, it's 91 over 39. For the next part, if we divide both the numerator and denominator by 100, oh, look, isn't this interesting? It turns out that these three terms, those three numbers, although they look intimidating on the surface, actually have the same result. See, all three end up as 91 over 39. So this one is also 91 over 39, which is basically like multiplying by 3, right? This 3, well, in January, there's a remainder of 13. 91 divided by 13, as we just mentioned, when you look at it now, that's just 7, right? So all those things that look intimidating on the surface are actually just paper tigers.